Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing great in your life and in your studies also. So today we are going to do some error detection questions, and these questions are from this book 4000 questions, as you can see. And if you want to purchase any of these books, you will find all the links in the description. From there you can go and purchase these books. So first of all, there is first question. No sooner we reached the auditorium than the play start. So first of all, there is pair of no sooner and then. It is correct. Okay, no sooner than. Then no sooner we reach the auditorium, we always use no. After no sooner, there is some question mark type thing is used. Okay, like which makes it like we are asking the question. So after no sooner we will use did. No sooner did we, and here we will use reach. No sooner did we reach the auditorium than the play started. Okay, so this will be the right sentence, and here the error lies in first. Now you will ask why I have used did. This is the thing. Okay, we always use did, like here reached is given, so we will use did. We always use the question asking type form after no sooner, so that is why I have used did here, because here second form was given. Then the second question is, he has been working by his sister at the bakery near his home. So it is very simple. When you work with some, like when you work with someone, with used, not by, like you are working with him, you are not working by him. All right, so he has been working with his sister at the bakery. So here error lies in second part. So now third part is, she was hardly halfway across the home then her mother called her. So hardly has the pair with when. Hardly when. So she was hardly halfway across the home when her mother called her. Okay, so here hardly and when has the pair, and now here when will be there. So error lies in third part. Now next sentence is, please do not try to scare the toddler with your biggest eyes. So biggest is like the extreme. Okay, the superlative degrees are used when we try to show the extreme form of something. But here, please do not try to scare the toddler with your big eyes, not biggest eyes, because now we are showing that he has bigger eyes than everyone else, but he has big eyes, not biggest eyes. All right, so here big eyes will be there. The next question, he not only has conquered the Mount Everest but also the Kanchenjunga. So first of all, not only but also, it is correct. But he not only has conquered the Mount Everest but also the Kanchenjunga. Here not only's place is not right. It should be after conquered. Like he has conquered not only Mount Everest but also Kanchenjunga. All right. When we use not only but also, then after the these article, after the things given, like here the two main things are given, Mount Everest and Kanchenjunga. So here he has conquered not only the Mount Everest but also the Kanchenjunga. So here error is given in the first sentence. So when the words are not used at the right place, then there is the error. Okay, so please try to find out these type of errors also. Like sometimes you are not able to find error in these type of sentences. Okay, but you need to keep these things in your mind. And here these are the 5 questions, 1 2 3 4 5. We have done 5 questions, and if you like these videos, then please try to write in the comment section. All right, and it gives me a motivation to make these videos, to show my approach to you all. And that is all for this video. Thank you and have a nice day.